Brain implants that reverse paralysis. A new type of brain implant was created in Switzerland by George Courtine and the EPFL. These brain implants help bring back movement to the legs of two rhesus macaques in a span of only 2 weeks after being injured. One monkey was able to regain movement after only 6 days. There has been similar research done before. One group helped paralyzed rats get the ability to walk again. Other research groups also use brain implants and electrodes to give motion to humans. But both restored movement through muscles and prosthetic legs and arms. The research done by the EPFL was the first of its kind to go wireless, record brain activity, and connect it to the nerves within the spinal cord itself. George Courtine, one of the minds behind the implants, hopes that the system will be transferred to therapy to help during the rehabilitation process and to improve recovery and the quality of life. Courtine accentuated that his main goal is better recovery. He wants to make sure that people are not going to walk in the streets with a brain-spine interface. In both pictures, it shows the brain-spine interface. The picture on your left shows the microchip that helps read the brain signals. And the picture on your right shows what it's going to look like inside of a human brain. How it works. There are two wireless brain implants. The first implant is located in the motor cortex region of the brain to help pick up signals that tell the muscles to walk. The second implant pulses electricity to trigger specific nerves that activate certain muscles in the leg to flex and move, which causes the movement. These two implants, the nerve simulator in the spine and a sensor in the brain, work together as one brain-spine interface. The interface helps transmit nerve signals to the monkeys that suffer from paraplegia, to help transmit signals to the brain to simulate the spinal cord implant to activate the nerves. Paraplegia is usually caused by an injury in the nerves or spinal cord, which lead to the body being unable to send signals to the brain and the rest of the body, causing paralysis. In this GIF, you can see with the BSI turned off, the monkey is having a very hard time to walk. With the BSI turned on, you can see that the monkey is walking without a single struggle. Reversing paralysis before and now. Scientists mainly focus on getting the brain signals to control a machine. An example is in a robotic arm. Now, scientists want to restore the control over the body itself. Before, they used to experiment on mice and rats, but now they experiment on rhesus macaques, which help them give more assurance to translate their research onto humans. After 8 weeks from injecting stem cells into the spine, only half of the mice had definite results. Now, the macaques were able to walk in only 2 weeks, and one monkey was able to walk in only 6 days. Some difficulties that they are facing is that the system mostly relies on the inclination to extend and bend the legs at the proper timing to fit the way of walking on all fours. Balance is also a challenge for humans because the implant was tested on macaques who walked on a 4-legged gait, so it will be difficult to regain balance on only 2 legs. Along with these brain implants that reverse paralysis, there are also many other electronic implants and neuroprosthetics that are changing the world, such as devices that reverse blindness and restore lost memory to those who suffer from Alzheimer's. And these are my sources. Thank you.